Whatever you wanna see. Whatever you wanna see. I don't really need any. All a bad bitch needs.
Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be on this very sexy, sultry Valentine's Day or just any regular date night look. If you guys want to know how I got this look, stay tuned and thanks for watching. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and set my eyelids with some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is just going to give my eyelid a nice flat and even foundation for when I'm applying my eyeshadow colors. And it'll make my eyeshadows come out more pigmented. And this is also good if you have some discoloration on your eyelids. It'll just make it all one color. So I'm going in and just setting that with some powder just to make it nice and easy for my shadows to blend on. Okay, next I'm going in with this light brown shade in my Morphe palette. And I'm using this color as a transition color. This is just going to be the first color I put on to help my other colors all blend together. So I'm putting that right above my crease. Okay, you always want to start your transition color with a light color. And then you want to gradually get darker as you go on. Okay, next I'm going in with a very dark brown color right in my crease. And this is going to give my eyelids some depth and dimension. So yeah, just make sure you're blending those two colors very well together. You don't want to see any line of demarcation. Just make sure you're blending those out really good. Okay, after putting on those two colors, now I'm going in with a red, like right on top of where I put that dark brown color. Because I'm going to have a red eyeshadow look. So I really want to put that red in there right on that crease. And like I said, just make sure you're blending. Blending is key, sis. So I'm going in with a clean brush now. And I'm just blending all three of those colors together. And now I'm going in with a black color right in the corner of my crease. Just in the corner. And I'm just kind of just blending it right in the crease. I'm not really taking it further out. I'm just keeping it right in that crease. Okay, so now I'm just going in with a clean brush again and blending out those colors all together. And then I'm going to go in and just replace the red color that I feel like got a little washed out. So this is a good trick if you feel like you're putting a dark color on top of a lighter color. Sometimes the lighter color can get a little washed out, so you want to just go back in and just replace that color. So now I'm just here carving out my eyelids. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to blend it all together anyways. So I just like to do a nice little shape where I want to put my next color on top of. So now what I'm doing is just blending that black color into the concealer that I put on my lids. This is just going to give it a nice smooth transition instead of it looking like a circle on my eyelid. It's all just going to blend together very nicely. Now I'm going in with the red, the same red that I used, and I'm just putting that next to that black color because I'm going to use a lighter color in front of it, and I just wanted to have a nice smooth transition instead of going from a light color to that really dark color. Okay, and now I'm going in with like this rose gold pink color from my Naked 2 palette, and I'm just putting that right on top of the concealer that I placed down earlier. Okay, and next I'm just gonna put in a red shimmer color between that red and that champagne pink color, I'm just going to put like a red shimmery color just because I like how it looked. So this is the eyes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do a very thick liner. And kind of messed up right here, but it's okay. I'm just going to have to do a thicker liner than I was anticipating, which is fine. Because I'm going to use some large eyelashes, so that's going to work out perfectly. Okay, so now I'm just going in with my air spun powder all over my face. This is what I'm setting my foundation with. I already put down foundation for you guys. Sorry, I didn't put that part in, but I already put down foundation. I just set it. So now I'm just going in with my concealer, my NYX concealer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal and highlight. And you just want to carve out your cheeks with that, on your chin, under your eyes. You guys already know the drill. Forehead, and down the center of your nose, Cupid's bow, all of that. So for me, it's a little difficult to blend out my face with these big old eyelashes, so I just had to take those off. Okay, so now I'm just blending out that concealer with my brush. Some people prefer using a beauty blender to blend this out, but I like using a brush. It's just much faster and easier for me. So now I'm just going in with my foundation brush. Well, the brush I use to apply my foundation. This is a Real Techniques buffer brush, and I'm just buffing out my concealer just to make sure it's a nice smooth transition between my foundation and concealer. Okay, and I'm going to go in with my RCMA loose powder now and set that concealer. Okay, and oh wait, sis, I made a big mistake. I did not mean to go in with that. I meant to highlight one more time with this Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So don't worry, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And as you can see, it made a big difference. Like, this concealer is life, honey. It's life. Yes, honey. See how that concealer just turned me into Beyonce? Like, oh boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Why don't you come over and check up on it? Okay, so now I'm just setting that with my RCMA setting powder. And I'm just going to set those places I highlighted, and I'm going to use what's left over on the brush to just set the rest of my face. Yes, yes, honey, we are snatched for the gods. Like, now I'm just gonna go ahead and contour. I'm using a cream contour first. I like to use a cream and then a powder on top. So I just like to contour like all the outside parts of my face, like my jaw, of course my cheekbones, or under my cheekbones, my jawline, my double chin. You know the drill. And yes, this is my new favorite contour palette by this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Yes, honey, this is my new fave. Like, they need to just go ahead and sponsor me. This contour palette just makes it so much easier and faster to do my makeup. It has the perfect shades for my complexion. Like, I use the lighter shade to just go ahead and contour and kind of bronze up my whole face. I love it. It's so perfect. And I'm going to use that same palette to just contour my nose. And I'm just blending my contour into my shadows, kind of. You guys can see. It's hard to explain, but you can see what I'm doing right here. Okay, sis. And these are the finishing touches. So I'm just going ahead and carving out my contour. And just to give my contour that extra kick, you know. Okay, so this is the look, honey, and we are killing them with this look. I went ahead and added some dramatic lashes and some beautiful bottom lashes with that spicy red lip, okay? Your man is gonna love it. This is perfect for a date night, Valentine's Day, you know, next year, because we kind of late. If you guys love videos just like this, don't be shy, girl. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Later.